1. You sign up to become a member free. 2. You will answer simple questions. 3. You will get rewarded with gift cards or PayPal money instantly. Earning money is as easy as 1, 2, 3 in this simple system of making money. There are no hidden charges or extra tasks on this platform. Everything is free and the money you will earn is real. Making money has been made as easy as possible on this website that you don't need any investment or any special gadgets to participate. All you will need is your mobile phone to get started. And you can just download the app freely from Google Play for Android or Apple App Store for iPhone. This system will make you enough money that you will use to buy fancy things you need in life. Now, before I show you how you will get to register on this website and start to earn money, I welcome you to this channel, Ready Money, where you will get to learn how to make money online in a legit and easy way. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to keep getting more money making videos from this channel. Now, the website we shall be learning the money making strategy is Mobiworks.com. At Mobiworks, the caption is, Complete Survey for Money, every simple statement with a lot of meaning. Here on this website, all you will be doing is to answer very simple questions and earn money in the process. What you need to know before you get signed up to this website is that, when you become a member, your making money online starts now. You will get rewarded for providing your thoughts on products and services you use every day. This sign-up process takes only few minutes for you to complete. After sign-up, you will begin to receive survey links in your email or SMS. When you click on the link, it will take you to the survey platform, where you will be able to start and complete the survey. You will then receive payment for sharing your feedback on products and services you love and use daily. After each survey, you will be rewarded with the advertised monetary amount for that specific survey. Your money is then accumulated and can be redeemed for a variety of rewards like airtime, gift cards, or PayPal payment. If you are getting value in this video, please hit the like button now, and consider subscribing to this channel and turning on the notification bell if you have not yet done so. Now, let's get started and sign up already to begin making money on this website. First, you will need to come up here to the top left side of the website and click on Sign Up. You will see the sign up form open for you to fill in your details. Next, you will go ahead to fill in your details by typing in your first name, your last name, your language, your email, and input your password. Then click on Next to continue filling the other details. After filling in your details, you will receive a confirmation email in your mail inbox. The confirmation email will link you to be registered on their platform and you will begin to receive survey links to answer and make money. Ciao!